Coach, tough to win when you're playing catch-up hockey.
Yeah, we started fine, but that first goal, for some reason, just deflated us, and there's no way that should deflate us. It's just one goal, and after that goal, they seemed to get momentum, but the reality is we let them get momentum. All of a sudden, we weren't first on puck anymore. We weren't paying the price. We weren't blocking shots, and we were playing. We weren't competing, and that's what you deserve when you don't compete. We pushed back after that. I shuffled the lines. I put the guys who had more drive until I got enough drive to get some momentum, and some guys responded, and we carried the play for a little while there. But you're asking for trouble when you react like that after only one goal, and you're not ready to compete to block shots and be first on puck and take checks to make plays. And yeah, basically that's the way it went.
After that first goal, it just looked as though there was a level of crispness, both in execution and maybe decision making, that really let down.
No, it's the compete level went down. Period. When the compete level goes down, the other team's first on puck. And like I said, you're not first on puck in the O zone. You're not first on puck in your D zone. They start carrying the play, and we're in the right places in the D zone, but not ready to block some shots. And offensive zone, we weren't ready to screen and block the other goalie's view. And they're all just compete areas that weren't there last game at all. And I was very surprised that we reacted like that. But you know what? We know we got work to do. We know that's been an issue last year, whether it's power play, PK, and having bad starts. And we're gonna change that, and it's not gonna change in one day. But we can't accept that.
Power play at the end is second, and start of the third could have made a difference, I guess.
Yeah, we got some good shots, but you know what? With the good shots we get, the problem is we're not screening the goalie well enough. We're not paying the price in front of that goaltender enough for him. So what happens is he's making great saves because he can see the puck. So making the plays and getting those shots hasn't been an issue. We need to be stronger in front of their net. We need to have that presence, and we need what I call a four-man jam, where guys are going in, get those rebounds, and that didn't happen there. So that's where we need to progress.
Assess the penalty kill if you can, Coach. Did that have anything to do with compete level?
Oh yeah, 100%. Penalty kill is about blocking shots. You look at these goals there, we can easily block those shots, and we weren't willing to block them. So we have to come back and be willing to block those shots, and we're going to use the guys that are going to be blocking those shots, and that's what we're going to do.
It's just one of those games, Coach, where it's a double whammy. You fall behind early, you got to press with putting guys out on the ice that maybe you didn't want to put out for as long as they have, based on your game tomorrow night too.
Yeah, you know what though, I'm all about today. Okay. Tomorrow's tomorrow. Obviously at 4-1 at the end there, you want to keep some guys on the bench, but for me it's never quitting, so you keep going. There were some players that pushed, and so I don't want to talk for every player and everything, but there's some players that did push, and but tomorrow, we got to be better. I know it's a back-to-back, and we're traveling, we're arriving late. It's no excuse. We got to be better than this, and we will be.